shouts, Cookie, Minnie, how many times you both want to take ready? We are going in party, not in fashion show. I'm waiting from 1 hour. It would have been better if I had slept for some time. Let down on the couch. Our poor cat just lay down on the couch to get some sleep. In the same way, a super cute child came to him and jumped on his tummy. Da 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 da, Cookie Shetty. Junkie screamed in pain. Ah, Cookie, what are you doing? Cook innocently looked at him. What happened, Dada? What did Cookie do? Junkie, poor Cookie jumped on Dada's tummy. Now Dada's tummy is hurting. Cook rubbed and kissed on his tummy. Dada, it won't hurt now. Cookie did the magic. Junkie smiled to see his cute face. Where is your Appa? Cook, Appa is getting ready. Junkie, it means we have lots of time. Let's sleep till then. Cook, but Cookie isn't sleepy. Junkie made him lay down on his chest and he started stroking his hairs and back. Within a minute, he fell asleep. Of course, he will be quick sleeper. After all, he is the son of Min Sleepy Junkie. Jimin came there while wearing his wristwatch. Let's go, Junkie. I'm ready. He didn't look at Jungkook. He was busy in tying his wristwatch and fixing his suit. He kept calling for Yoongi, but when he didn't get any reply from him, he looked at Yoongi and got shocked to see Jungkook, who was sleeping peacefully without any worry. Jimin shook his head in disbelief, like seriously, aren't we getting late now? I don't understand. I'm married with a man or cat. He made Cookie to sleep too. One day he will definitely turn my son into a cat. Shook Junkie. When Junkie shouts. Hearing his shouts, Jungkook blinked out and woke up. They looked at angry Jimin and got scared. Cook sat on Junkie's tummy and cutely rubbed his eyes. Appa, why are you shouting? Jimin, what are you doing? Cook, what Appa? Cookie didn't do anything. Jimin, what nothing? You were sleeping. Cook, confused. Cookie was sleeping? Looked at Junkie. Oh yeah, Cookie was sleeping. But it wasn't Cookie's fault. Cookie wasn't sleepy. Dada made Cookie to sleep. Scold Dada. Dada isn't fault. Cookie is all innocent. Said cutely. Junkie widened his eyes. What is called Dada? Minnie, baby, listen, I have an explanation. Jimin crossed arm. Oh really? Please tell me. Junkie, baby, you are taking so much time to get ready. See how beautifully you dressed up Cookie. I didn't want him messed up with his dress. That's why I put him in sleep. I was only helping you. Otherwise, you have to make him ready again. See, I helped you, so now I deserve reward, not a scolding. Sit with puppy to eyes. Jimin, stop using Cookie as shield to protect yourself from scoldings. My son is nothing related with you. You wanna sleep and now you are blaming my son. Junkie, what your son? Cookie isn't only your son. He is half mine too. Jimin, no, he is whole mine. Don't you dare to make him like you, sleepy cat. Junkie looked at Cookie. Cookie, tell us whose son are you, Appa or Dada? Cook, look both. Yunmin, Cookie, shut Appa's boy, spread his arms. Jimin picked him in his arms. My good boy, kissed on his forehead. Junkie, you brat, don't come to me when Appa scold you. Cook sticks his tiny tongue. Cookie, shut good boy. Cookie won't get scoldings like Dada. Junkie, Dada got scoldings because of his bratty son. Jimin, stop fighting. Yoongi took Cookie from Jimin's arm and put him down. Go and select the car by which you wanna go and party. Jimin, now let's go. About to go. Yoongi pulled him to himself. What, let's go? Let me compliment my love, who is looking breathtaking hot. Back hugged him and kissed on his neck. Jimin tried to move his hand. What are you doing? Cookie will see us. Yoongi, shh. He won't come. He must be busy in selecting the car. Jimin, oh, so you purposely sent him. Yoongi, of course I did. In front of him, I can't even touch my husband. Jimin, oh, so someone is getting naughty. Yoongi, I wanna do something naughty. May I? Jimin, of course not. Did you, my naughty husband, forget that we have to go to the party? Yoongi, oh yeah, but it won't affect if we will go little late. They both were lost in romancing with each other, and their romance blocker, Cookie, came there while happily hopping like a little bunny. Cook, Tata, Appa, let's go. Cookie has selected the car. Tata, Appa. Jimin smiled. Here is our baby come. Yoongi, he always comes in wrong timing. How did he always know that we are romancing? Jimin, he is our son. He knows you better. Yoongi, he isn't son. He is our romance blocker. Cook, Tata, Appa, what are you doing? Let's go now. Held Jimin's hand and started dragging him outside. Jimin, Appa is coming, baby. Slow down, no need to rush. Cook, Appa isn't coming now. Cookie has to come to pick Tata and Appa. Yoongi, Cookie, which car you have selected? Cook dragged him outside. This purple one. Cookie hasn't gone anywhere in this. It must be missing Cookie now. Jimin, he has selected the most expensive one. I knew it. Yoongi side hugged him. It's okay, let him enjoy luxury. After all, his dad is a billionaire. Jimin, but I'm scared. Yoongi, scared? But for what? Jimin, are we doing his upbringing in correct way? Is this good to let him enjoy luxury in such a young age? What if he started taking advantage of this? Yoongi, calm down, my love. Stop thinking nonsense. Our Cookie is well mannered. He will never take an advantage. It was his one go on drive on this car as he hasn't gone anywhere in it. That's it. There is nothing to worry. Jimin, you are right, but then also I don't feel right to spoil him. It's not good for him. Yoongi, Minnie, you are thinking too much. Sooner or later, he has to adapt our high class lifestyle. It will be good for him if he start learning from now. Jimin, but Yoongi, no but Minnie, we all raised up like this. There is nothing wrong to fulfill our son's demand for whom I worked hard. If I can't give my son better life, then what's the use of my working? Well, let's go see how cutely he is talking with the car. Cook does the car. Wow, you are looking so pretty. But less than Cookie's Appa and Cookie. Cookie always wanna sit on you, but Appa didn't let Tata to drive you. Cookie will take you to Cookie's school and meet you with Cookie's friends. They all also have big car, but not like Cookie. Cookie's dada has lots of money now. Jimin put his hand on his shoulder. What's this Cookie doing? Cook looked at Jimin. Appa, Cookie is telling to this car that Cookie will take it to Cookie's school. Cookie wanna show this to Cookie's friends. Jimin, no, Cookie can't take this to school. Cook wins. But B. Jimin, what B? Cookie already has car to go to school now. Cook, but that is old na. Jimin, what old? 6 months ago we brought that. Cook, Cookie became bold. Now Cookie wants new car. Jimin, by this logic, Appa is also old. Will you throw Appa too? Yoongi came there with car's key. What's happening here? Cook, Tata, see, Appa is scolding poor Cookie. Yoongi unlocked the door and made Cook sit on back seat and tied a seat belt. Then Cookie should listen to Appa. Time escaped after some times. They all were returning back from the party. Jimin was mad because Cookie broke so many glasses while running and jumping. Not only this, he wasted so many dishes too. He only tastes the food, then throw it on dustbin. Jimin wants to slap him, but Yoongi stopped him. Out of anger, Jimin left the party in the middle and Jungkook left with him. Right now, they were waiting to clear the traffic. Cookie was looking outside. He was feeling bored. He saw a man who carried lots of things on his bicycle. Probably he was a small vendor who was returning back to his home. He saw him and thought a mischief. He picked his smiley balls and he started throwing on him. Because of that, he lost his balance and fell on the road along with all the food items. Cook started laughing loudly. Yunmin and some other people quickly came to help him, but Cookie didn't stop there. He started throwing more balls. One woman saw him and said, "Woman, see, that boy is throwing balls." Yunmin looked at him and got shocked. "Cookie, men, let's go to him." Few men went towards Yunmin's car and pulled him outside. Yunmin were quick to pull him back. "Yoongi, he is my son. I'm really sorry from his behalf." Jimin, "Yes, he's a kid. He didn't do anything intentionally. Please leave him." Menvan, "Have you lost your mind? That was good that signal was on. What if it was busy road? That man can lose his life too. He couldn't be fallen in front of any vehicle. Who was responsible for that?" Jimin, no, he did a big mistake, but trust me, he didn't know anything." Cook, "Appa, why are you saying sorry to them? Tata will give them money." Looked at Yoongi, "Tata, give him more money." Yunmin was shocked to hear that. They couldn't believe instead of apologizing, their son is saying to give them money. No, they never taught him this. This was the thing that Jimin was afraid of. That Jimin never warned that his son gives importance to money over anything. Men too, that's the problem of you rich people. You think money can buy anything. Money can fix everything. If that man loses life, then your money can bring his life again. You can compensate his loss by your money, but you will be able to compensate his life. Tell me, why are you silent now? Cook shouts back, "How dare you two?" Jimin quickly held his hand. "Shut up. You have created enough mess for us. Now don't you dare to say a single word," warned him. Woman, "See how long this little kid's tongue. Where is his Uma? Hadn't she taught him anything?" Jimin, "I'm his Uma." Woman, "You? Oh, so you're a gay couple. No wonder. Why is it like this? Only a woman can give a child good upbringing and values. What do we expect from you? You guys don't deserve child. You only spoil an innocent child's future. Why did you have kids when you don't know how to raise them up?" That woman's every word raised Jimin's heart. Although she wasn't completely wrong, child's behavior shows how good or bad his or her parents' upbringing. Cookie's behavior has proven that they both totally failed as parents. Jimin was listening everything because he was in fault, but Yoongi had enough. He can't listen anything against Jimin. He was about to say, but Jimin held his hand and stopped him. Yunmin went to that man who hurt because of Cookie and kneeled down in front of him and properly apologized to him on Cookie's behalf. They forced Cookie to apologize too. Yoongi paid him for his loss and came back to their home. Time skipped after some times. Cook slept on the way, so Yoongi made him sleep on the bed. Jimin was sitting on the floor and crying while remembering the whole incident. Yoongi was trying to console him. Jimin, Yoongi, I'm sorry. We failed as parents. I totally failed to give him good upbringing. Yoongi hugged him tightly. No, Minnie, you aren't only responsible for this. I'm also equally responsible. You aren't only his parent. I'm also his parent. I'm also an equal partner in this mistake. We spoiled him, so now we will teach him good lesson too. Trust me, he will never dare to repeat this again. Tomorrow's sunrise will bring new hope, and till sunset, our son will learn his lesson. Jimin looked at him. What do you mean? What are you going to do? Yoongi, you will get to know tomorrow. Do you trust me? Jimin, more than myself. Yoongi, then don't worry, I will fix everything. Kissed on his forehead. Time skipped in the next day. Yunmin came to village in early morning. Cookie was still sleeping. They both were sitting outside and talking. Soon Cookie came there while quickly rubbing his eyes. While rubbing his eyes. Appa! Tata! Yoongi, Cookie, you woke up, baby? Cook, yes, Tata. Where is Cookie? This isn't Cookie's home. Jimin, this is a special place. Here Cookie will do lots of fun. Cook, really, Appa? Yoongi, really? Now first let me get you ready. After that we will go, okay? Cook, happily, Oti. They were roaming in the village. Cookie was tired because he wasn't used to this much walking. They tried to do any cab, but there wasn't any cab. Now Cookie was thirsty. He tried to find any shop to buy water, but there wasn't any shop. Cook, Tata, Appa, Cookie is so thirsty. Cookie wants water. Yoongi, Cookie, see, there is a well. Let's go there and get water for you. Cook, ran to well. What's this, Tata? Yoongi, this is the well. Jimin picked him in his arms and see, here is lots of water. We will pull that for Cookie. Cook, we have to pull water. Can't we get that by money? Yoongi, how will you get that by money? Give him rope. Now start pulling it. Went to somewhere. Cook, Cookie has to pull it. Jimin, Cookie wants water, so now Cookie have to pull it. Went a little far away. Cookie tried to pull the water bucket but was so heavy. His soft hands got bruises and he started crying. A man saw him crying and came to them. Man, he kid, what happened? Why are you crying? Cook looked at him with teary eyes. Cookie is thirsty. Cookie wants water, but Cookie can't pull it. Man, it's all right, kid. I will pull it to you. Cook, thank you so much, uncle. Put 90 degree. That man helped Cookie to get water, and now Cookie is so happy. Yunmin didn't help him. They were watching him. They will pull ointment on Cookie's bruises later, but right now he has to learn his lesson. Yoongi, Cookie? Cook looked at him. Tata, that uncle helps Cookie. This well's water is so sweet. Cookie loves it. Appa, you know Cookie thanked that uncle too. Jimin, a good boy. Yoongi, Cookie, see, you have money, but still you didn't get water. Cook, Cookie learns that you can't buy everything by money, but if we sit politely and ask help, then we can get anything. Like that, the whole day they showed Cookie lots of things. They took him in farm and showed them how much hard work farmers do so that we can eat food. We should waste food. It's the disrespect of food, and that hard work too. Being a smart kid, Cook quickly understand that. At night, they returned back to home. Cook was so happy. He saw so many new things. On the way, they went to that small vendor shop too. Cookie again apologized to him and he forgave him too. Sometimes you have to make kids understand by giving live examples like Yunmin did. Now Cookie will never disrespect anyone and not waste the food. Now he knows money can't buy everything. That's called true parenting. Don't hide or ignore your children's mistake. Correct them when they do their first mistake by scolding, talking, giving live examples, and sometimes by punishment too. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Many happy returns of the day, a cute cookie. Parenting doesn't contain only taking care of children's needs and happiness. Giving your children good upbringing, values, teach them the difference between right and wrong are also parents' responsibility. If you ignore your children's first mistake, then they won't take much time to make it as a habit. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.